Northeastern Railway Recruitment 2018 to 954 Gateman posts. Apply before the 30th of August 2018. Only ex-servicemen are eligible to apply for the post of Gateman, and interested applicants must apply on or before the 30th of August 2018. Loading. Northeastern Railway Recruitment 2018 application process to fill 954 vacancies for the post of Gateman on contractual basis has begun on the official website Northeastern Railway, Gorakhpur, ner.indianrailways.gov.in. Only ex-servicemen are eligible to apply for the post of Gateman, and interested applicants must apply on or before the 30th of August 2018 by following the instructions given below. How to apply for Northeastern Railway Gorakhpur Recruitment 2018 for Gateman posts. Step 1. Visit the official website, http://www.ner.indianrailways.gov.in. Step 2. Click on RRC, under Recruitment, on the homepage. Step 3. Click on Notification for contractual engagement of ex-serviceman as Gateman. Step 4. A PDF file will display. Step 5. Download the application form and take a printout. Step 6. Fill the form with required details. Step 7. Send the hard copy of duly filled form along with other required documents at below-mentioned address. The President of Railway Vacancy Cell, Northeastern Railway, CCS Building, Railway Road No. 14, Gorakhpur, 273,012. Direct link, http://www.ner.indianrailways.gov.in/uploads/files/1533019064431-exam.pdf. NER Recruitment 2018 vacancy details. Total posts 954. Lucknow 230. Varanasi 724. Eligibility criteria: the applicant must be class 10th passed from a recognized board. Applicants are advised to visit the official website and download advertisement to ascertain their eligibility criteria before applying. http://www.ner.indianrailways.gov.in/uploads/files/1533019064431-exam.pdf. Age limit: the age of the applicant should not be more than 65 years as on the 1st of January 2019. Pay scale: the selected candidates will be eligible to receive a monthly pay of Rs. 25,000 with grade pay of 1,800 rupees. Selection process: the selection of the candidates will be done on the basis of a written test and an interview.